In this video, we'll explain how to set up a sending ramp-up journey with your first campaign and why using it matters. Using a send ramp-up for your first campaign from Ordo enables you to more appropriately transition your traffic by allowing mailbox providers to reacclimate themselves to your new traffic source. You can set this up easily in Ordo by utilizing a template. Once you are in your account, you can set this up by going to the top left corner of the screen and selecting Campaigns. On the Campaigns page, select the blue button that says Plus New Campaign. In the New Campaign pop-up, select the option fourth from the top, titled Journey. The next screen will show the new Journey page that allows you to either create a journey from scratch or use a template. For this example, we are going to select the New to Ordo Sending Ramp-Up template. The new page will show a visual presentation of the automation that will be added via this template. To continue, select the blue Use Template button in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the Name This Journey pop-up, simply fill out your desired name for this journey and select which folder in the drop-down that you would like it organized into. Once this is done, select OK. Once this loads, you will then need to do two things. First, choose your target audience, which you can do by finding the People Enter When section at the top left corner, selecting Edit, and customizing your desired segmentation or audience there. Second, choose your campaigns for sending, which you can do by finding the name of your new journey in the top left corner, selecting Edit, choosing one of the gold Send Email modules, and clicking plus Add Email below it. From here, a drop-down will appear where you can either create a new campaign or choose from an existing draft you've created. Once that first one is complete, you will want to go through and click plus Add Email for each of the Send Email modules, where you can then add a copy of the existing first campaign you've selected. After all the campaigns are assigned, you will want to select the blue Publish button in the top right corner. Back on the main page of the journey, you will want to review the campaign and audiences selected before you go to the top left corner of the screen and turn on the journey. And just like that, the journey will automatically break down your traffic to deliver the same campaign to the entire selected audience over the next several days, so that mailbox providers can reacclimate themselves to your new traffic source. For more resources to help you get set up, visit our Help Center or contact our team at help@ordo.com.